how can we find all the pairs of m, n, which are elements of natural numbers, with the values of n being odd number from this British Math Olympiad expression? Join me, let's find out. This is a British Math Olympiad of 2009 round 2. So how do we find the pairs of m and m, which are elements of natural numbers, with the value of n equal to odd numbers? Let's find out. To solve this, we're going to simplify the expression given to us. And what is the expression? From that expression, we are given 1 divided by m plus 4 divided by n, and we are told that this is equal to 1 divided by 12. The only way we can simplify this is by finding the LCM. Now, if we simplify this with the LCM, we have mn. Mn divided by m is n. N times 1 will give me n, plus mn divided by n will give me m. M times 4 is going to give me 4m. And this will be equal to 1 divided by 12. Great. So what do we do here? We're going to see that we'll have 12 multiplying n plus 4m, right? And this will be equal to mn when we cross multiply. So if we simplify this, we're going to have 12n plus 4 times 4m times this will give me 48m, and this is going to be equal to mn. So what I'm going to do is to simply take everything into one side, and then we'll have mn minus 12n minus 48m. All of these will be equal to 0. So how do we simplify this? To simplify this, I will simply look at the value of 12 and 49. 12 and 49, 12 multiplied by 48, not 9, will simply give me the value 576. So I can add 576 to both sides to simplify that. Then I'll have my mn minus 12n minus 48m plus 576, and this will be equal to 0 plus 576. So what do I do? Looking at this, n is constant, so I'm going to bring out n, and this will be m minus 12, right, minus 48, and this, what is common? 48 is common, right? So I'm going to bring out 48, and then we'll have m minus 12, and all of this will be equal to 576. Great. Now from this expression, if I simplify further, you see that I will have two values, which are m minus 12 multiplying n minus 48, and all of these will be equal to 576. So what do I do from here? Considering the two expressions given to us, from the conditions that are given to us, m minus 12 and n minus 48 must be positive numbers. And if they must be positive numbers, then we must have two conditions: that the pair n, m, which are elements of natural numbers, they must be elements of natural numbers, and we know that elements of natural numbers are positive integers, so they must be positive integers. And apart from that, we are given the condition that n, which is all n, is what? is odd. So from those expressions, all the values of n must be odd numbers. So that tells us that this expression must be odd in order for we to have these pairs of expression. So what do we have? If we want to find that expression to be odd, since all of this is equal to 576, then we can have 576 to give us the factors of 576 can simply give us 9 multiplied by 64. So if I take out the factors of 9 multiplied by 64, we're going to look at factors of 576 that are odd. So which factors of 576 are odd? From that expression, if we look at those two factors, we'll find out that this will give us 3 to the power of 2 multiplied by, this will give us 6 to the power 2 to the power of 6. So from this expression, we can see that this is odd, while this is what? This is even. So considering these two expressions, I can find all factors of 576 that are odd. From this expression, I can see that the odd factors is 1, which are factors from this, 1, 3, right? And then 9, right? These are all odd numbers. While numbers that we emanate from here are all what? Will all be even numbers. So from that expression now, I can simply say that these two expressions, n minus 48, will have these odd parameters 1, 3, and what? And 9. While the value m minus 12 will also have even parameters. So the first will be 576. 576. If we divide 576 by 3, we're going to have 192, right? And the next from here, we're going to have 64, right? Which are all odd numbers, which are all even numbers from this. So if we have these pairs of numbers, from these pairs of numbers, we can be able to have m, what? M, n, with n odd numbers. So how do we have this? From this expression, we have the value of our n equal to 1, and then m equal to 576, then you'll find out that m minus 12, if it is equal to 576, then we'll find out that the value of our m can be equal to 576 plus 12, and then you see that my m is equal to 588. Same goes here with our n. With our n equal to 1, we can have our n minus 48 to be equal to 1. Then n will be equal to 1 plus 48. Then n will be equal to 49. We can have our n to be equal to 1 plus 48, and then our n will be equal to 49. Then from this first pair, you can see that m, n is equal to 588, 49, with n being odd number. So from this expression, if we have n to be equal to 3 and m 192, then you will see that the value of our m minus 12 will be equal to 192. So from this expression, a value of m can be equal to 192 plus 12. 192 plus 12 will have our m to be equal to 204, right? 204. And from that expression too, you can see that n minus 48 with that equal to 3, then we can have this expression to become n will be equal to 3 plus 48. And 3 plus 48 will make our n to be equal to 90. That is going to give us 51, right? That will give us 51. 51. So we see that m comma n is roughly equal to 204 comma 51, with n also an odd number. Now the final one, we're going to have the value of n minus 48 to be equal to 9 and n minus 12 to be equal to 64. So if we have that, we are going to have m minus 12 to be equal to 64, right? If you have that to be equal to 64, then we'll have that expression to become m will be equal to 64 plus 12. 64 plus 12. M will be equal to 64 plus 12 is going to give us 76, which is an even number. Now from the other expression, we'll have n minus 48, and that will be equal to the other pair, which is 9. So if we have that to be equal to 9, then our n will be equal to 9 plus 48. And 9 plus 48 will have our n to be equal to 57. So if n is equal to 57, then we'll have our m comma n, which is the final pair, to be 76 and 57. Now you notice that all the values of n from all these expressions are odd numbers. And recall that the question says we should find the values of m comma n, which are elements of natural numbers, with the values of n being odd. So all solutions are all natural numbers, and the values of n from the whole solutions, which is this, which other one? The whole solution, which is this, and also this, they all met that condition. So that means these are all the pairs of m and n that satisfy that expression given to us up there. I know you did enjoy watching this math solution. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified math content. Thanks so much for watching, and bye-bye for now.